Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can Google Translate a document. So keep watching the video to know how you can do so, and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for more future updates. Now, to convert a document using Google Translate, you'll firstly need to open the website, or you can also do this through the mobile application. Now, to open the website, which you can type in translate.google.com, and then after you open this website, you can go to the document section and open up a document from your device. Now, as you can see, the document has been uploaded. Now to translate it, you can choose the language into which you want to translate it, and then you can click on translate. Now, after the translation is done, you'll have an option to download it. You can click on download translation, and the translated document will be downloaded. You can open it. As you can see, the document has been translated from English to now Arabic. So that's how you can translate documents in Google Translate. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.